Oh, blimey. What a week that's been. How are we all doing? As you can see, I've got this new little section done. This is going to be the new little distribution company. We've got the hard standing all done up now. Got the fencing in place. That little chap there operates the gate all the way down here. We've got the rail yard. Still needs a bit of finishing off at the end there. Get a wall across there. Bit of wasteland here. Little custom built platform. Made that, designed all that myself. Just need to get the back seam in there. There we go. So the idea is the train comes along. In this case it's just a locomotive. We throw the points as per usual, set the route. This would look so much better with the back seam in place. But slowly catch a monkey. Going in to collect the free waiting video lens. Perfect. And of course it will go off to wherever. Coming to a graceful halt. Switcheroo the old points. Smack the back seam with your hand. Now, I am considering switching to KD couplings here. I've seen the magnet operated by Jenny up at TCC Concepts, and I have to say it looks pretty good, pretty convenient. I think for now though, we'll just stick to doing the old 1-2. It works pretty well, doesn't it? Let's face it. Bit of drone footage for you now. Bit of drone footage. Like I say folks, I'm sorry it's not a bit more in depth, but working a lot is knackering, funnily enough. And when you're working pretty much 6-7 days a week, making time to do your videos and what have you just doesn't come so easy. I finished this house standing off nice. What I have to do is get a spoon actually, like this, and I just had to gouge when it was dry, and it just, see that, it just gets out any bits of crap stuck in there. Makes it easy to deal with. Right folks, I've got some days off next week, so I'll do some proper videos, but until then, thanks for watching, bear with me, we'll have some more stuff soon. Thank you for watching.